Hi everyone, Dean Infotech is excited to announce its upcoming webinar on the custom data import wizard. During this session, we will discuss the following. Number 1, an introduction to the custom data import wizard. Second, the fundamentals of data import, including its merits and demerits. Implementation of custom data import wizard, the process of importing data into both the standard and custom objects. Techniques for limiting the number of records imported, ensuring data compliance throughout the process. So we are coming live on 27th of April at 11 AM CST. To receive updates on your future webinars, do subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Thank you.